Hi guys, this is Ibrahim Khalil from my channel Softbd. Hope doing well. In my previous tutorial, I showed you how to create database, how to create table in brief in SQL Server 2014. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work select statement, where clause, and or not operator. So let's go to start. Here I just open SQL Server Management Studio, and for query I just click new query, and here is the query analyzer. Now here you see default database is selected master, but I want to select my database which one I create my previous tutorial. If you don't watch my previous tutorial, please watch my previous tutorial. I will give you the link in description box. So guys, I just select my database which one test db. Now here I write code for select. Guys, here you see I created database test db, and here is the table employee info. I want to retrieve data from employee info. So I'm going to write SQL command for select statement. Thus select star means all from keyword, and here I am going to write name table name. So I'm going to retrieve data from employee info. So here you see employee info, select employee info. Select star means all from the keyword, and this one is table name. So let's go to execute, and here you see the output id, name, address, city, and age. So guys, if you want to retrieve data specific column like id, name, city, and age, then need to write command like that sorry select, then you have to write id, then name, then city, then age, and then need to write from employee info. So guys, here you see, and then I want to execute this line. So select, first of all I select this line, and then I'm going to execute. So guys, here you see the all of the column id, name, address, city, and age, but here I specific only id, name, city, and age. So here address is not shown. Guys, if you want to see how many unique city is in this table, so for this one you have to write select distinct, distinct, just city column name or field name from employee, sorry here I'm from employee info. So let's go to see only 4 cities used in this table unit. You see here the 4 city. If you want to distinct value, then you have to write first distinct and then column name, sorry column name, and then from, and here is the table name. Guys, now I want to show you the how to work where clause. So for where clause I am write the select all from employee info, and now where clause means I want to give the some condition like where city column name select city and is equal to, I just mention here Dhaka, means I want to data which city name is Dhaka. So I select only one line which one I want to execute. Now click execute, and here you see the 4 data and all of the city is Dhaka. So Now guys, I'm used to operators, and operators, or operators and not operators. For and operators, I just select all from employee, and also here also where city is equal to and is equal to 30. Then what happened? Only one field is returned because here I use two condition, which employee I need, which one city Dhaka and age 30. If you want here greater than condition, if then 18. I want to see the employee which city Dhaka and age is greater than 18. So then now all of the data is here, which one is age is greater than 18 and city is Dhaka. And now I'm going to show you how to work or operator. So select all from employee info. I just where city is equal to penny, or age is equal to 22. So let's go to run. Here you see our two condition apply here. City will be penny and or is 22. So which one is here 22 but city not penny Dhaka, and all of the data is here penny but age is not equal to 22. So there is also two condition, or now I am going to show you not operators. So here also I write select all from employee info, and here where but here first need to write not, then column name city is equal to Dhaka. Then so here city is not Dhaka because I want to use not operators, and here I mention not city Dhaka. That's why no data retrieved from employee info which city is Dhaka. Guys, here we learn how to work select statement from table, how to retrieve all data from a table, or how to specific field retrieve from a table, and how to retrieve distinct value from a table, and how to use where clause, and how to use where clause with and operators, and how to use where clause with or operators, and how to use where clause with not operators. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like this video and share this video, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye for now.